Hi, and welcome to Unbound English. Here you have a space to listen, shadow, and practice English at a slow, natural pace. I speak slowly, clearly, so you can follow along and feel comfortable while practicing. In this episode, we are going to explore how to describe your day in English, not just short sentences, but full ideas. The little details of your life, your thoughts, and the things you do. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your day naturally and confidently. So, let's begin together. So, let's start with the morning. Think about your own morning, the things you usually do when you wake up. As I describe my morning, you can imagine your own and think about how you would say it in English. When I wake up, I usually stay in bed for a few minutes. I lie there quietly thinking about the day ahead, what I want to do, and what might be difficult. I take a deep breath slowly and stretch my arms and my legs, feeling my body wake up. Then I sit up and look around the room. I notice the light from the window, the sounds outside, maybe birds, maybe cars, maybe the wind. I think about what I want to eat or what I need to do first. I stand up slowly and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face, feeling the cool water on my skin, brush my teeth, noticing each movement. Even these small actions, when described in English, help you speak clearly and naturally. After that, I make breakfast. Maybe a cup of coffee, maybe tea, maybe toast. I sit down and take a moment noticing the taste, the smell, the warmth of the cup in my hands. I think about the plans for the morning, the tasks I need to do, what is important, what is small, what I can enjoy. Sometimes I listen to soft music or just enjoy the quiet, taking my time. These small moments, when described in English, give you sentences you can use every day and help your brain think in English naturally. After breakfast, I begin my work or study. I organize my tasks and decide what is most important. Sometimes I write notes or check messages or read something useful. Sometimes I practice English by thinking in English or speaking aloud, describing what I am doing. During this time, I take short breaks. I stretch my arms, walk around, or drink water, noticing how my body feels. Even small movements can become sentences in English if you describe them slowly, clearly, and naturally. At lunchtime, I prepare a meal or eat something simple. I sit quietly enjoying my food, noticing the taste, the smell, and how it makes me feel. I think about what I have done in the morning and what I will do next. Sometimes I take a short walk after lunch. I look around, noticing the sky, the trees, the people, the sounds around me. I describe what I see in English using simple sentences describing colors, sounds, feelings. Sometimes I speak with a friend or a colleague in English, describing our day, what we have done, what we plan to do. Other times I practice alone, speaking aloud, telling my story step by step in simple words. As the day moves on, I finish my tasks and prepare for the evening. I may read a book or listen to a podcast in English. I reflect on the day, thinking about what I did, what I learned, and what I can do better tomorrow. I prepare dinner slowly, noticing each ingredient, the colors, the smells, the textures. I describe each step in English in my mind or aloud. This is practice, and it is useful because Real English is about life's small actions and thoughts. After dinner, I relax. Sometimes I take a walk noticing the night sky, the street lights, and the quiet sounds. Sometimes I stretch or sit quietly thinking about my day and tomorrow. I describe everything in English in simple sentences, noticing what I see and feel. Before I sleep, I think about my day again, what I did, what I learned, what I enjoyed, what was difficult. Even small steps matter, and every day you move forward in English and in life. Now, before we finish, I want you to try something simple. Take a moment and think about your day. You don't need perfect sentences. You don't need many words. Try to describe your day out loud or quietly in your mind. If you can talk to a friend or a family member, tell them what you did today, how your day started, and how it ended. If you are alone, that is okay. You can speak to yourself. Many learners do this and it works. What matters is that you try, because speaking is where real learning begins. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need to sound perfect. You only need to be clear and honest. Start with simple ideas, one sentence at a time. Let your thoughts come slowly. Some days it will feel easy. Some days it will feel difficult. Both are normal. Every time you speak, even for a short moment, you train your mind to use English naturally, and little by little it becomes easier. Keep practicing like this. In quiet moments during your day, speaking, thinking, and describing your life in English. That is how real progress happens. Learning English is not always easy. It takes time, patience, and gentle practice. Every small sentence, every moment helps you grow. Every day you improve even if you do not notice it immediately. The more you listen, the more you describe, the more you practice, the more naturally English will come to your mind. Take your time, listen again, and remember you are not alone. Everyone learning a new language moves step by step at their own pace. Your goal is not perfection, it is clarity and confidence. And today you took another step forward in English. Thank you for spending this time with me on Unbound English. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep moving forward slowly, naturally, and confidently.